Question 261. How do you ensure the security of Azure DevOps pipelines and environments? As an Azure DevOps engineer, I implement security best practices such as role-based access control, encryption, and continuous monitoring. I also conduct regular security audits and stay updated on the latest security threats to mitigate risks effectively. Question 262. How do you handle continuous integration and continuous deployment, CI/CD, in Azure DevOps? I use Azure pipelines to automate CI/CD processes, creating build and release pipelines to build, test, and deploy applications. I ensure seamless integration between development, testing, and production environments for efficient delivery. Question 263. What strategies do you employ for optimizing Azure DevOps pipelines for performance? I optimize pipelines by parallelizing tasks, caching dependencies, using agent pools effectively, and configuring triggers efficiently. By monitoring pipeline performance metrics and identifying bottlenecks, I continuously improve pipeline efficiency. Question 264. How do you approach infrastructure as code, IAC, in Azure DevOps? I use tools like Azure Resource Manager, ARM templates, or Terraform to define and provision infrastructure in a declarative manner. By automating infrastructure deployment and management, I ensure consistency, scalability, and repeatability in Azure environments. Question 265. Can you explain the concept of GitOps and its relevance to Azure DevOps? GitOps is a methodology that uses version control systems, like Git, to manage infrastructure and deployment configurations. In Azure DevOps, GitOps enables declarative infrastructure management, automated deployments, and version-controlled changes for improved collaboration and reliability. Question 266. How do you implement monitoring and logging in Azure DevOps for performance analysis? I use Azure Monitor and Application Insights to monitor application performance, track metrics, and analyze logs in real time. By setting up alerts, dashboards, and performance tests, I ensure proactive monitoring and timely resolution of performance issues. Question 267. How do you ensure compliance and governance in Azure DevOps environments? I implement policies, compliance standards, and access controls in Azure DevOps using Azure Policy and Azure Security Center. By enforcing regulatory requirements, auditing configurations, and monitoring compliance, I ensure a secure and compliant environment. Question 268. Can you explain how Azure DevOps integrates with other Microsoft Azure services? Azure DevOps integrates seamlessly with Azure services like Azure Boards, Azure Repos, Azure Artifacts, and Azure Pipelines. By leveraging these services, I streamline development workflows, automate processes, and enhance collaboration across the development lifecycle. Question 269. Can you describe a scenario where you had to scale Azure DevOps pipelines for increased workload? In a high-demand scenario, I scaled Azure DevOps pipelines by adding more build agents, optimizing resource utilization, and parallelizing tasks. By monitoring performance metrics, adjusting configurations, and leveraging cloud scalability, I effectively managed workload fluctuations. Question 270. How do you approach automation testing and quality assurance in Azure DevOps pipelines? I integrate testing frameworks like Selenium, Junit, or Nunit into Azure DevOps pipelines to automate testing processes. By executing unit tests, integration tests, and regression tests automatically, I ensure code quality, identify bugs early, and accelerate feedback loops. Welcome to CloudRoar CSPM, your intelligent cloud security posture management platform. In today's hybrid and multi-cloud world, maintaining visibility and control across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud can be complex. CloudRoar CSPM simplifies that by continuously scanning all your cloud accounts, configurations, and workloads. Our platform automatically detects misconfigurations, compliance violations, and potential security risks before they become incidents. CloudRoar CSPM provides clear, actionable insights mapped to major frameworks like CIS, NIST, and ISO standards, helping your teams remediate faster and stay audit-ready at all times. Strengthen your security posture, achieve continuous compliance, and take control of your multi-cloud environment with CloudRoar CSPM, security that's smart, scalable, and proactive. Introducing CloudRoar Cost Optimization, your unified platform for smarter cloud spending across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud. Cloud costs can grow silently, but CloudRoar gives you full visibility and control. Our engine continuously analyzes usage patterns, instance sizing, and idle resources to uncover hidden savings. With intelligent recommendations powered by real-time data, CloudRoar helps you right-size resources, eliminate waste, and maximize return on every dollar spent in the cloud. Get detailed reports, actionable cost insights, and automation that ensures continuous optimization without compromising performance. Optimize confidently, scale efficiently, and make every cloud dollar count with CloudRoar Cost Optimization. Efficiency meets intelligence. Welcome to CloudRoar CSPM, your intelligent cloud security posture management platform. In today's hybrid and multi-cloud world, maintaining visibility and control across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud can be complex. CloudRoar CSPM simplifies that by continuously scanning all your cloud accounts, configurations, and workloads. Our platform automatically detects misconfigurations, compliance violations, and potential security risks before they become incidents. CloudRoar CSPM provides clear, actionable insights mapped to major frameworks like CIS, NIST, and ISO standards, helping your teams remediate faster and stay audit-ready at all times. Strengthen your security posture, achieve continuous compliance, and take control of your multi-cloud environment with CloudRoar CSPM, security that's smart, scalable, and proactive.